Welcome. If you want to change lock screen wallpaper in your Motorola Edge 20, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, go for display and click on wallpaper in this place. Right now we can pick live wallpapers, Google Photos or stock wallpapers from the device. And right now we are able to pick the default picture or your photos. I'm going to set landscapes. And I would like to apply, for example, not this one, I would like to pick this one. Here we get preview how it looks on the lock screen and the home screen. Click on the right bottom corner switcher and choose lock screen. Take a look right now. As you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.